Pagbabago sa lagay ng federal government Lunes, kung saan ikinagulat ang inanunsyong pagbaba sa gabinete ni Finance Minister Chrystia Freeland sa araw ng nakatakda sanang paglatag sa Fall Economic Statement ng gobyerno, kung saan si Freeland sana mismo ang maghahain nito sa Parliament.
Chrystia Freeland is a good friend, someone I work with very, very closely. As President of the Treasury Board and Minister of Transport, this news has hit me really hard, and I'll reserve further comment until I have time to process it.
My sense is that she's been an excellent team member to work alongside, and I continue to consider her a friend.
Sa liham ni Freeland para kay Prime Minister Justin Trudeau na inilabas sa social media, sinabi niyang ayaw na siyang gawing finance minister ni Trudeau at inalok ng ibang posisyon sa gabinete. Aniya, para maging epektibong minister, kailangan ng buong tiwala mula sa Prime Minister. Bagay na tila hindi raw naipakita sa desisyon ni Trudeau. Diin ni Freeland, mahalagang iwasan ang magastos na political gimmicks at busisiin ang gastusin ng gobyerno nang sapat na matugunan ang parating na administrasyon ni US President-elect Donald Trump. Hindi raw ito mabuting senyales para sa Liberals ayon sa dating Manitoba Cabinet Minister at MLA na si John Reyes. At aniya, posible raw na may pinaplano para sa hinaharap si Freeland.
To be frank, Teresa, it's beyond damage control. I don't think there's any communication strategy that will rescue the Liberal Party. Surprisingly, she's going to be running again. And so that leads me to believe, obviously, that she has aspirations for the top job. If she truly wanted to step down, she would step down and leave for good.
Ang pagbaba sa pwesto ni Freeland, ikinababahala ng boses sa likod ng podcast na Everything's Political. Nangangamba raw siya sa hinaharap ng Canada.
Tayong mga Canadian, para tayong na-hold up eh. Hindi natin alam kung anong mangyayari. Kung yung sarili mo mga kapartido, wala nang kumpiyansa sa iyo eh. Pati yung mga minister mo. So not just MP, but your actual ministers don't have any confidence to you, then that doesn't really show confidence for the entire Canadian people. So yun ang parteng nakakatakot.
Maaanghang na akusasyon naman mula Conservatives at isang panawagan mula NDP.
Justin Trudeau has lost control and yet he clings to power. We cannot accept this kind of chaos, division, weakness while we're staring down the barrel of a 25% tariff from our biggest trading partner and closest ally.
Canadians are struggling with the cost of living. I hear it everywhere I go. And instead of focusing on these issues, Justin Trudeau and the Liberals are focused on themselves. They're fighting themselves instead of fighting for Canadians. And for that reason, today I'm calling on Justin Trudeau to resign. He has to go.
Teresa Redula, Omni News, Toronto.